Hi everyone, today's this week's problem says in art class, Caitlin is assigned to make a clay sculpture. She decides to make the world's largest realistic mechanical pencil out of clay as a gift for her mother, who is a teacher. In her sketches, she draws out the details of the pencil. The eraser is a cylinder of radius 5 and a height of 6. So the eraser. It's a cylinder with a base radius of 5 and a height of 6. The middle part, so the first part of the middle, the first part is a cylinder of radius 6 and a height of 8. Hollow hexagonal prisms look like that. And then the height is 160. The length here is 6, and the thickness is the square root of 3. And the next part is a cylinder of radius square root 11 and a height of 170. And the final part of the middle is a rectangular prism with side lengths 2, 4, and 40. And the tip is first is a cylinder of radius 6 and a height of 15. Then it's a cone of radius 6 and a height of also a height of 15. Okay, so let's just, and then it says after mapping all these things, Caitlin asks her best friend Alice, who's good at math, how many packs of clay she needs. Assuming Alice is correct on her calculations and packs of clay have 20 cubic inches of clay, what number does Alice tell Caitlin? So first we have, okay, so the eraser has calculated one by one. So let's do this one. So it's a cylinder, so it has a volume of 6 times the radius times pi. And this is 150 pi. And then let's do this part next. So we have also a cylinder, has radius 6, height 8 times pi, that's equal to 288 pi. And then after that, this part is also a cylinder. It has a base radius of square root 11, so it has square root 11 squared times 170 times pi. This is 1870 pi. The next part, okay, it's this one. This one has, so first the base looks kind of like this, and it's like that. And the thickness is here is square root 3. So if we draw it like that, this is 6. This is square root 3, and if we draw the height, then this height is 3 square root 3. I don't know if you can see that well. I'm not gonna use it. Okay. So it's basically you can see that. So it's like that. This is the center, and then you have, this is 6, and then this is 3. So then the total height here is 3 square root 3, and then thickness here is square root of 3. So then just one of these triangles would be like square root 3, 2 square root 3, 6. This is 2, this is 3. And then, so then the surface area of one of the bases would just be this part. So the area of this trapezoid is square root 3, which is the height, multiplied by the average of the bases, which is 4 plus 6 over 2. So one of these parts is equal to 5 square root 3. And then there are 6 of them. So then that means that the surface area of one of the bases is 30 square root 3. And then the height is equal to 160. So we multiply this by 160. And this is 4800 square root 3 pi. No pi. So we have that. And then another part is, so this is another part. This part is just a rectangular prism. So 2 times 4 times 40, that's equal to 320. And then now we have these 2 parts left. And then so first we have, I'm running out of colors. This one's a cylinder, so it's 6 squared times 15 times pi. This is equal to 540, I think. No, yeah, 540 pi. And then our final part is a cylinder. Its height is 15 and its base radius is 6. So let's move over here. So it would be 1/3 times 15 times 6 squared times pi, and this is equal to, let's see, 180 pi. So now we have these, so we need to add up. So let's see, we have this value, this, this. So we have 180 pi plus 150 pi plus 288 pi plus 320 plus 540 pi plus 1870 pi plus 4800 square root 3. Right? So now we have to add these, right? So then we would have, so the pi is 3028, so this is 3028 pi plus 4800 square root 3 plus 320, and this is our answer.